Well, good afternoon, guys. Well, brought my CNC machine out here and got my computer and everything's out here at least. But went a little different direction. I got this big steel cabinet. A guy at work was going to crush it and put it in the scrap pile, so I salvaged it. I bought some 3-inch caster wheels and welded them on. Still gonna do a little cleanup around the edge, but I didn't want to get the grinder out and make all kinds of noise this morning. But let's show you inside. Kind of dirty from the plasma cutter. Yeah, that was a mystery I solved a few minutes ago. But I added some angle iron up on top to gusset the sheet metal top and to bolt the mill down. So it's bolted down nice and tight, and I added a gang of plugs in the back, and everything will be put in here, and then the plug will be run up the top and out and then plugged in. And here, let me show you how I did that. I got all set up with my plasma cutter and was gonna film it, and wouldn't you know it, I forgot to turn the camera on. So turn this thing around. Okay, see there, I kind of marked out the back where I wanted everything bent, and I folded in the bottom, bent out the top kind of as a drip edge, so that hopefully any chips or whatever can fall. And then the plugs, they just come out the top and plug in. Yeah, and then all the wires for the CNC machine. See if I can find one in this big mess of spaghetti. Anyway, they'll just come down and go in the side here and into the driver inside. It should work out kind of nice. I really like how with the 3-inch caster, the height of the tables came out exactly the same. So yeah, I like that. A few more things I want to put on here. I want to add like onboard, like a light stand. I've got a light stand similar to this one. This is the one I've been trying to use to film my videos with, but I've got one similar to that, and it's kind of like a round tube with the cord in it. It's kind of like a desk lamp. I'm going to mount it right to the side, and it's got a little adjustable deal. So I think that'll work good. And I want to put a mount with a swivel on it that the monitor can sit on, and I can just move the monitor wherever I want. And not to get too ambitious, but I'd like to put a hinge up here on the very top and have a table that opens up, and then supports come down to the side of the cabinet, like a collapsible table leaf, and that'll be where I can set my keyboard and mouse, when I want to start setting things up. I'll have a little bit more table in there for the keyboard and mouse, and the monitor will be up here on a swivel, and everything should fold away when I get done. Yeah, it's coming along. Big old mess of spaghetti, but I'll get to putting everything away in the cabinet and finding a place for everything, and yeah, then I'll start building my table leaf and setting up that lamp post kind of deal, the work light. Yeah, it's coming along. Alright, talk to you later.